And so today we want to talk about how to deal with people in our lives. And so, full disclosure, I am slow to make friends. I am shy, believe it or not. It takes me a while to warm up to people, new people in my life. So take it from me, it's okay to be slow in appraising someone who is new in your life. It's okay to wonder if they are trustworthy or not, and to allow yourself to find out over time and do it through experience. But it is not okay, morning enthusiasts, to start out feeling suspicious about someone, even though you may have seen a red flag or two. You could be wrong. But as long as you protect yourself properly and you give yourself a chance to get to know the person, get to know this new person, you will feel right. You will feel good about whatever conclusion that you reach. I'm telling you, I have to take time to get to know people. It's almost like dating someone new, right? You don't meet them on the first date and say, let's get married next week. You go out on dates, you go get to know them, you get to see their quirks, you get to understand what makes them tick. Then you live with them, and that's a whole different ball game. Like you learn a whole new thing about them. Okay? So it's okay to wanna court and date your friends, court and date new business partners. Not date literally, but like get to know them. It's okay, new investors. It's okay to spend some time with them to learn more about them before jumping the gun and signing your company away, your life away. It's okay to meet new people and not instantly feel like your BFFs. Take it from me. Take your time. Let experience allow them to show themselves, to see how they react in certain situations, who they are when their backs against the wall, when pressure hits them, how they behave. Okay, so allow yourself to have that. It's okay to wanna take things slowly, but don't be suspicious of anyone. Don't write them off before you get to know them, type of thing, because you never know when you're gonna need them. You never know what the outcome may be. It's like don't burn your bridges, type of thing, especially as an entrepreneur.